This is the tail end of Matthew. That Ponderosa lemon hasn't budged, but I'll show you what has moved. Everything. That bin has a weight on it. It's raining inside the house right now. Not sure where it's coming from. I think the window. Yep, the window. I am so lucky. I am very blessed. Bunch of crap in the pool. All the kitties are safe. Squeaky shoes. This is after I cleaned up a bit. I did not prep like I should have. I left the bird feeders out because I felt bad for the birds. So I've been feeding them all day. Since Matthew's welcome mat was never put out, and he's still hanging around at going on 5:30. Lots of stuff is wet. Ceiling. Probably won't publish this because it's just ridiculous. Lots of crap down. Lots and lots. Because there's lots of room for crap. This Norfolk pine was a concern. It survived. Its brother did not. Flip, flop, flip, flop, flop. Can you tell I'm stir crazy? Window towel is drying. Shingles. That's all kind of good. This tree used to have nothing but branches. And all those branches are down. Which is interesting because it's a good section. That's where they are. Never used to be able to see through there. Now I can. Mother Nature is pruning. I'm much brighter. Why'd I bother pressure washing? This is the beloved tree I was